Hello developers. Because the underlying technology Vagrant uses to create our development environment is the virtual machine, we can use the secure shell to administer our Unix-based virtual machines. In this video, we'll discuss how to use the built-in SSH tools of Vagrant. Vagrant SSH Config. The first command is Vagrant SSH Config. This will display the information about how we can use an SSH-compatible client to connect to our virtual machine. The items to highlight in this output are the user Vagrant, the port 2222, and a location of the identity file, which are all necessary when we're setting up an SSH connection. Vagrant SSH. The next command of interest is the Vagrant SSH command. If we have an SSH client installed in the path of our command prompt, Vagrant will use it to connect to our guest virtual machine automatically. If we don't, or it's not compatible with Vagrant, we can still manually connect. In this video, we discussed how to use Vagrant's SSH config command to get the connection information for an SSH client, and how to use the built-in SSH command to connect to our Vagrant's virtual machines. In our next video, we'll discuss how to set up our Vagrant file so our files sync from our host computer into our guest virtual machine. Make sure to subscribe to get a notification when the next video is released.